Hello, children. Good morning, all. Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Are you enjoying online sessions? Very good. Now, I am your Swapna teacher and I am going to take your EVS lesson 1 early humans. We are going to continue with the last session. What have you done in your last session? Do you remember? Yes, we have learned about early humans. What do they eat? What do they wear? How how do they cook their food, right? Okay, so let's quickly recap about early humans. Early humans used animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. They lived in forests and caves. In the beginning, early humans did not know how to cook food, and so they ate fruits and seeds. They also hunted animals and ate raw flesh. They hunted animals with sticks and stones. Later, early humans learned how to make fire. They began to cook food. Fire also helped them to keep warm and keep wild animals away when they come to attack. They also learned how to grow crops and tame animals, right? Do you remember all these things? I showed you so many pictures also, yes? Okay, now did you know that beads were made out of ostrich eggshells? Yes, so you all remember very well. So, I am going to tell you something more. Let's discuss. Now we are going to discuss about our life and about the life of early humans. See how different it is, you know. Our life is now, and you will tell me whose life was better. Early humans' life was better, it was good, or our life is better and good. Okay? We are going to compare it. See, number one, first. How is your life different from those of early humans? Let's see. Early humans lived in caves and you are living in a house. See, this is a home of early humans where they used to live, and this is your house where we stay, right? Where you stay, where I stay, where we all stay, right? We have a pakka house. So whose house is better? Early humans' house is better, or where we are staying is better? We are staying is better, right? You should be very thankful to God. Next, now we are going to compare about clothes. See, early humans used animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. See, they were wearing the clothes which were made of animal skins and they used to wear leaves to cover their body. And what do we wear? We wear a good clothes like shirt, pant, dress, salwar kameez, frock, skirt, etc. Right? So which is looking more good? Our clothes are nice, right? Early humans made weapons from stones. They made weapons from stones. See, the upper one, knife, is made by the early human. And see the knife which is down, that is our knife which we use at home. See, these are the weapons which they used. Who used? Early humans used. But we have much better weapons now to use, right? Okay, let's go further. Early humans ate raw flesh of animals. They just used to kill the animals, cut it with a sharp stone and sticks, and they used to eat the animal directly. Can we do that? No, we cannot do that. We can go to the market, we can buy whatever we want from the vendor, right? We can buy fruits, we can buy vegetables. Those who are non-vegetarian, they can buy fish from outside, they can clean, and we can cook. We cook and eat everything, right? We wash it after bringing it at home, we clean it, and then we eat. Yes or no, children? Yes, we don't have to go out in search of food and water. Everything is available. So, early humans, this comes to know that early humans had to struggle a lot in search of food and water, right? Yes. What is next? Oh, early humans used to wear jewelry made of ostrich eggshells. Okay, they used to make beads with the ostrich eggshells. See, like this. Can you see down? They used to wear this type of jewelry. And what type of jewelry we wear? We wear gold jewelry with diamonds on it. Yes, such a beautiful jewelry we wear. Yes or no? Yes, so we shall be thankful to God that we are getting such a beautiful things. Now, early humans learned to make fire and cook food. Okay. But how? Do they have matchstick like us? Where we just have to light it? No, they rubbed the stones and they made fire. Later they started to cook with that fire, right? Later they started to cook using that fire. And how do we cook our food? In a gas stove. So easy. We just have to on it. Take a lighter and on it. But you don't do it. You are very small. Who does it? Mama will do. Right? Mama or daddy? Yes or no? But it is very easy to cook because we have a gas stove. We have a burner at our house. Early humans, they don't had burner. Now, as you all are aware about early humans very well, you are giving me all the answers and you understood so nicely. I am sure you are going to tell me the answer of what I ask. Right? Let's start. I'll give you options. Don't worry. And if you don't know, if it is wrong, then also not to worry. You will learn. Right? Okay. So now I will show you a question where you have to give me an answer. Take the correct answer. Early humans lived in houses, caves, forest, or both. B and C. B is caves and C is forest. So where do early humans live? Very good. Caves and forest. So both B and C. Right? Okay, now next question is, early humans ate raw food, fruits, seeds, or all of this? What do they eat? They eat raw food? Yes. They ate fruits? Yes. Did they eat seeds? Yes. So answer is all of this. Very good. Next. What is the next question? Early humans covered their bodies with leaves? Yes. Animal skins? Yes. Yes. Clothes? Do early humans used to wear clothes like us? No. Both A and B. A is leaves and B is animal skins. So early humans covered their bodies with leaves and animal skins. Right? So answer is D. Both A and B. Next. Early humans learned to make fire by Hunting animals? Fire by hunting animals? No. By breaking trees? No. Rubbing stones together? Yes. And rubbing their hands together? No. How do early humans learn to make fire? By rubbing stones together. See, very good. Very nice, children. Now, my last question is, fire helped early humans to cook their food, keep warm, keep wild animals away. All of this. See, how does a fire help them? They help them to cook their food? Yes. Fire help them to keep warm? Yes. They kept wild animals away? Yes. So answer is D. All of this, because all the options are correct. Right? So you understood about the early humans very well now. Yes or no? Yes? You understood about their lifestyles? Yes. So whose lifestyle was good and better? Our or early humans? Our life is much more good and better, right? You don't have to struggle that much. You don't have to go to the forest. You don't have to stay in the caves, right? So you should be always thankful to the God for whatever He has given to you. Okay, children. Now in the next, I am ending my session here today. But in the next session, we are going to do some interesting things. Okay? For now, bye children. Take care of yourself. Sai Ram.